Today on the OMI Show, pistol cookies. It's the OMI Show! Hi, I'm Mommy and welcome back to the OMI Show. If you're new to my channel, subscribe and don't forget to click that like button. So it's starting back up, so today we're going to make some yummy pistol cookies. But first, let me put on my apron. Okay, that's better. You will need baking sheet or baking mat with parchment paper, vanilla wafer, white and pink melty chocolate, mini chocolate chips, and a plastic knife. Okay, let's get started. Step 1. Use the plastic knife to cut one of the sides of the wafer to a point, like this. Step 2. Dip the wafer in the pink chocolate on the other end of the wafer. Or you can use a knife to spread the chocolate. And then put it in the refrigerator for 10 minutes to set. Step 3. Then use the knife to spread some white chocolate on a pointed end. And put a mini chocolate chip on the top. And then put it in the refrigerator for 10 minutes to set. Did you know the United States solar system was invented by Horace Mann in 1847 when Horace became the Secretary of Education in Massachusetts? He pushed for a set curriculum for teachers and their students. Okay, now that you know, let's get back to the pistol cookies. Now for the yummy part, the taste test. They're pretty good. I hope you enjoyed making these pistol cookies, and I hope you have a good year in school. If you liked the video, click that like button. If you haven't subscribed, do that too. See you in the next video. Bye!